Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother printer DCP-L5510DN. So open any browser's Google search box to type like that, then you can see this is first support.brother.com's official website. Then click on it, first link. So this is your printer, then Mac, Linux and mobile also there. Select the Windows 11, then click to OK. So this is a full setup. This is full support with the software, and scroll down you can see this is only printer driver. Click on it. After that scroll down and agree to start. Then it is completed. Click on these locations, just select this and right click to open. Then it will create another folder. Then click to start for the installations. Click setting, Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, then add device, then add manual, add local, then next, have disk, then click to browse and go to locations where it is create folder, this one, and select inf file and then click to OK and then OK. After that find out 5510 DN. So this is the next next install. So then this you can restart your system. Thank you.